This 4-pack of rechargeable shower lights delivers surprisingly rich color options with a wide range of shades and gentle effects that make an ordinary shower feel more like a small spa. Because each light runs on an internal rechargeable battery instead of house wiring, you can place them in spots that would normally be awkward or unsafe for a wired fixture. The built-in timer settings are genuinely useful, letting you set the lights to shut off automatically so you are not constantly worrying about wasting power. Between the handheld remote and the touch controls on the lights themselves is easy to tweak brightness or color, even when your hands are wet or soapy. Installation is straightforward thanks to the strong magnetic backing and included metal plates, which hold securely without drilling or damaging tile or walls. Beyond the shower, the compact waterproof design and adjustable mood lighting make these a versatile choice for adding cozy accent light in bedrooms, closets, or party spaces.